So here's the question. How much money do you want in 5 years? And here are your choices. A, 250,000 to 499,999. B, 500,000 to 999,999. C, 1 million to 4,999,999. Or D, $5 million or more. Take your time and choose an option. I'll let you take a bit more time. Okay? Got your answer? Great. Let's review. Now, how many of you out there chose the lowest amount? Answer A. If you did, why did you do that? You had the opportunity of choosing any amount over the next 5 years, anywhere from $250,000 all the way up to $5 million and beyond. Yet you chose to go with the lowest amount possible. Why? No one was forcing you to choose a certain answer. It was all completely up to you. You could choose whatever amount you wanted. So why would anybody choose the lowest amount available? It's because that is your self-belief. I bet you that if I lowered that amount in answer A to 50,000 to 100,000, some people would have chosen that amount. And sadly, that's what most people in life do. They settle for mediocrity in their lives when they just as easily could be living the life of their dreams. So this one question gives you great insight into your level of self-confidence as well as your level of ambition, and it determines whether or not you'll achieve financial independence. So the takeaway from this question is, don't settle for mediocrity. Always shoot for the top. The multimillionaires out there aren't all that smarter than you, nor do they work substantially harder than you. They just got educated on business and how to acquire financial assets, and they just took action. We live in one of the greatest countries in the world where anyone can achieve great things if you put your mind to it and take action. Always be taking action. So get yourself educated on how to buy financial assets that produce passive income. My favorite financial asset and my area of expertise is investment-grade commercial real estate. Then, once you're educated, take action and set your sights on acquiring enough financial assets so that the passive income they generate exceeds your living expenses. That right there is financial freedom. And every person that has achieved financial freedom has always gone for the gold and not for the bronze. You can make your life whatever you want it to be. So shoot for the moon.